So you sick of all the supply chain issues and delays and out of stock? Blame Toyota. To be clear, I don't mean blame Toyota today, but blame Toyota back in the 1970s when they came up with what is now known as just-in-time inventory management. It's also known as the Toyota Production System, TPS, because Toyota started it in the 70s. And remember, back then, Japanese manufacturing was not taken terribly seriously. Boy, has time changed. The main concept behind just-in-time inventory was essentially to make sure that raw materials for any kind of manufacturer come in just in time. So we don't have a lot of inventory standing around gathering dust and, more importantly, costing money. The just-in-time inventory was essentially made so that you had as little cash sitting there in terms of inventory value at any point in time. Since then, just-in-time has been used to justify both suppliers, production, delivery to clients, even personnel and hiring. And it's a great concept and idea as long as the supplier can deliver when you need it. And when you think about the just-in-time concept, it's not only your supplier, but their supplier and their suppliers and their suppliers. So when you have shortages come, and multiple shortages for multiple reasons on multiple layers, you have this snowball effect, which ends up that everybody's on shortage, everybody's dealing with this, and nobody's getting what they need when they need it. This is basically the perfect storm of the just-in-time strategy. Now, am I saying that this is the only cause of all the shortages? No, of course not. Am I saying that there aren't other factors that went into it, whether we call it labor shortages or anything? No. But what I am saying is that we don't really talk about the Achilles heel here of just-in-time. And maybe it's time we do. What's your thought about just-in-time? Is it still a usable strategy, or is it time to give it a little bit of a grain of salt and say just in time with a little bit extra? Tell me about it in the comments below. I hope you do this in time.